Hello, my name is Eduardo Ramirez, and today we're going to see how to get the inverse of f of x. So the first step is to solve for x. Remember, this is the same as y. So you get y, these two here, and then you have your isolated x, but you don't need this root. So you apply the second power, okay? And then you have y minus 2 squared equals x, because this cancels. The second step will be to exchange x by y, okay? So x minus 2 to the square and y to x. And the third step will be to write down, instead of y, f minus 1x. So you do that, f minus 1x equals x minus 2 to the square, and that's your answer.
Hello, my name is Sergio Bustamante, and today I'm going to explain how to prove that these two functions are inverses of each other. First, we need to insert the g in the f, and we first make this, and then we solve the function. As our result, we have an x, and then we do this in the g of f. Since in the two functions we get an x as a result, then we prove that those two functions are inverses of each other. Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you how to graph the inverse. You have this function. The first thing you need to do is to have a table of values. Then you assign a value to x, in this case 0. So then you see, I assign 0 to x, and in result I get 3. That's why I mark it here. You do exactly the same with these other values, alright? You substitute. Then you will need a second table of values, and it will be exactly the same values but switch. Then you have a graph like this, and you just mark the points in your graph like here. Then you join them like this and like this, and you have two lines, alright?